Today, November 10, Microsoft made a new 52-week high, and our trade that we told everyone about on September 25th is now more than 400% profitable. This was the day that we published the video, and this is the video. The title is right over here. You can still find it on our channel. September 25th. We'll put a link at the top here if you have info cards turned on. Now we know Microsoft definitely bounced from that support level here. And you can see the stock has gone up about 16.5%. And our trade strategy that we discussed on September 25th is right here. Profit loss diagram, current profit, $1,032 per trade. This takes into account the cost of the trade already at $226. Okay, so 1025, let's say. Okay, let's do a calculation. 1025 divide by the cost, 226 times 100%. We have 453% profit. And so this is why risk to reward ratio when trading options is very important. This essentially means we could lose 4 trades and only win 1 trade and still be net profitable by 53. But if you've been following this channel, you know that we actually have more wins than losses on our stock picks. This is the trade that we described on September 25th. You can see the 355 strike calls now. The prices are very different now. Here is the 375 strike calls here. And so by taking a look at that video, you can see the changes in prices and how this trade is now very profitable. Okay. And so if you've been following this channel, you know that we analyze data on unusual options activity and use that as the basis of our stock picks so that we can diversify our portfolio to pick the right stocks that have the wealthy, rich traders that have better insight on the stock market. And so using that, we trade using option strategies to have better risk to reward ratios, such as this trade strategy we just showed. Okay, so as long as we are making more when we are right and losing less when we are wrong, we are beating the market. And so that is why risk to reward is very important with your strategy. If you're not beating the market, it is not your fault. You haven't been using the right data and strategies, and encourage you to join our membership where you can gain access to these exclusive videos where we share better data that have better price predictions of different stocks in the stock market so you can start beating the market too. All right, so watch this video on September 25th if you didn't. If you did, comment below. And if you made 453% around that, it'd be great if you can give us a shout out to show your appreciation. Take care, and as always, like, subscribe, and have a wonderful weekend. Take care, everyone.